Hello friends, we are glad to welcome you on our channel. And in this video I will show you, as well as tell you how you can very easily and quickly enable or disable the health application on your iPhone. Friends, please subscribe to the channel. Also put your likes and write your comments after watching this video. Let's get to our topic. And let's say if you would like to disable the health app from your iPhone. Please go to your phone settings and then select the screen time option and then scroll down a little bit and select this option, which is called Content and Privacy Restrictions. Then select Allow App and Features. After that, you will be able to find the health app here. And in order to disable it from your screen on your iPhone, you'll need to click on the button next to it. If you have a passcode on your phone, you will need to enter it. Now you can go back to your work screen on your iPhone, and you'll see that after just a few seconds, the app disappears, which tells you that it's been deactivated. And now you won't be able to find it on your iPhone on any work screen or, let's say, through the app search bar on your iPhone. If you want to turn it on or add it to your work screen, then you'll need to go into your phone settings as well. Screen time, then Content, Privacy Restrictions, and Allow App Features. And when you get to the same page, you just need to enable the health app, and then also, you can exit the settings. And in a few seconds, you can see how this app, it will be added. Like in my case, back to your iPhone. Friends, in this very simple and quick way, you can easily disable or on the contrary, enable the health application on your iPhone. I hope this video helped you. Also that it was useful to you. Please, friends, put your likes as well as write comments, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Bye-bye.